I finally get to drive the Subaru. Oh, look at that. This thing has some motion detectors. Woo, this thing drives good. And alignment's off. Alright, let's go a little bit east of the lake here. Drives good. Yo, let me know if you guys could hear this turbo, but you could hear it. Hang on, ready? So check engine light came on, everything lit up like a Christmas tree, and it's the same code, P00C, and then the P0021. Well, bring it back home and see what the code is, or see what's wrong with it. So as you guys see here, looks like there's still a couple little metal flakes in there, yo. That wasn't there before, at least I don't think it was. So I took off the banjo bolt because I want to take a look at it, and if you look in there, it looks like there's like, you could barely see it, but there's like a good metal flakes in there. Oh snap. Well, I'm gonna have to pull that out. And here's the solenoid. Looks like there's still some metal flakes in there from before, I think, and it made its way up there. Oh, I'm gonna have to try my best to clean this out as best I can. So I'm giving it one more try. Third time. This is my third time. I went ahead and retightened it. So I put pressure down here as I'm tightening this bolt here. And now it's all tight again. And if it gets loose one more time, I'm putting the old one in. That's gonna get one try, and after that, new tensioner or whatever. Of course, this would happen. The alternator bracket thing broke, or bolt broke. Right as I was just barely tightening it down. Boop. At least it's not too bad. It's coming out slowly. Drop something there. JDM, dude. Here she goes. There she goes. I'd say I did a pretty good job building it. I got a full on video. I got to post like the whole build and shit. It's like 47 minutes long.
Oh shit.
Yeah.
Okay.
It showed like what I did wrong and shit. I had to go back and take some certain things off.
Yo, some problems happen to it. It's not 100%, but you know, it's damn near right now.
I'm glad I put them on insurance. And there she goes. Yo, what's good? Freaking got the homie over here. Just got back getting some Pokemon cards. Look at that. Oh my goodness.
Hey, hit the restock on Target. Got lucky finally.
Perfect freaking timing, dude. I was there with him waiting, but then I didn't want to wait. I wanted to come and work on the Supra.
You wait at least an hour,
But damn, it looks worth it though. We're about to go back and get some more because you only get like 2 at a time. Oh yeah. Look at that. Oh my god, that's so cool. Finally got some.
Finally,
oh my
bro.
god, Pokeballs. That's so cool. I kind of want to get these for myself.
Yeah. They're tight. They're cool.
Hell yeah. Well, I'm over here. I'm trying to get the blue Supra started so I can get it moved out of the way a little bit. But now she's having a hard time starting. I think there's something with the fuel system. Doesn't have any gas. As you can see, Subaru's over here parked. I had to redo the timing belt again on it because the tensioner came loose. So we got an OEM new tensioner. I didn't bleed it. I just threw it in there. It's new, you know. Got it from, I believe it was Subie or something. I don't know. The dude bought it. So, but yeah, we got the situation sorted out with this thing, and he does want the car. So as long as he just keeps paying it off, and I finally got him on insurance, it just costs a lot more. But yeah, Subie's running good. Drives good. Really, it's actually really nice. But I don't know. I'm curious if the Subie's faster or the Supra's faster. But I don't know. It drives good though. I like it. But yo, check this out. There's like a little echo in here in this engine bay. Hello, 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 hello. It's like a fucking dimension in this engine bay, dude. Well, all right. I just gotta get this thing started. It doesn't want to start. I'm about to go get some starting fluid on it right now. Yo, I'm driving home from the west side, and damn, I cannot see. I thought it was gonna be a good drive. Freaking. Yeah, it is hectic. Guys, I had to pull over. I could not see. My defrost is not even working. And it's raining heavy. my. I mean, everything seems to be running somewhat okay. Supra's running slightly rich. Alright, I'm gonna leave it there. Oh my goodness, dude. I didn't think it was gonna keep on raining. Can't see anything.
Yeah, man. Sir. Man, look at the streaks. God.
Yeah.
That's your third traffic violation in less than 3 blocks. Slow it down, O'Connor.
Sure thing, Jack.